the Einstein principle. Robert Greene talks about in his book Mastery that Albert Einstein spent 10 years on his general theory of relativity until he hit a huge wall. He didn't know where to go with it anymore. He gave up, went to sleep, woke up with the answer. And he says that real creativity is always on the other side of the wall. It's always on the other side of uncertainty. He says that the reason some people don't face uncertainty isn't because they're more gifted or anything of that sort. It's because they don't work on something long enough. They don't develop it long enough to hit the point of uncertainty in the first place. And as you're in the process of discovery, as you're growing, as you're moving forward, you need to embrace the periods of uncertainty and welcome them as great teachers at the times where you have your biggest breakthroughs, not as times to run away from. Those are the times that you question things. Those are the times that you have answers come to you. Those are the things where you really go look for answers or look inside. I think it's really important to think ahead to what we're going to face so that when you face those things, you can face them the right way. And if you don't expect uncertainty on your path as you're moving forward, then it can bring you down. But if you welcome it, then it'll be a huge leap forward, or at least it has the potential to do that. I talked about earlier how I had a 102-year-old friend, and something he told me towards the end, he wasn't doing well, he was in a hospital bed. He just sat there out of nowhere. He said, "Doubt is the beginning of wisdom." And automatically I shot up in my chair and realized how profound that was. Doubt is the beginning of wisdom. And when it comes to discovering your purpose, when it comes to growing once you have discovered your purpose, when it comes to finding out what to do next, how to contribute more, how to move forward, uncertainty is a big friend. And I want you to keep that in mind and expect it and welcome it.